Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, you know I have been crazily touring campuses all across the country and getting you all the honest reviews. One demand that I'm seeing lately coming under the comment section of my YouTube videos is Mirai School of Technology. Guys, your wish is my command, and that is why today I am finally outside Mirai School of Technology's Bangalore campus. Guys, I have the whole day here to spend. So I'll cover each and everything from the curriculum to the fees, admission process, showcase you the campus inside, the hostel tour, all of that. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. That's a lot of muscle building I've done, but let's go. Okay guys, before I take you inside the campus, Mirai School of Technology's Bangalore campus is in collaboration with Ratnam Institute of Technology. Along with that, Mirai School of Technology, this is going to be the first year of its inception. So all you people who are watching the video right now might be the part of their first cohort. Now guys, Mirai School of Technology has been founded by Arpit, who is an alumni of BITS Pilani and IIM Kozhikode. Along with that, he has worked at JP Morgan as well as at Cars24, and now he's founded Mirai School of Technology. Along with that, in their founding team, we have Varun and Karthik, who are the founders of the very famous coding blog. I'm pretty sure you would have heard the name. In case you haven't, make sure you go check them out. At the same time, guys, they personally have mentored more than 250,000 students. So it's an amazing founding team that they have. Let's go. Guys, visiting the campus has brought in a lot of nostalgia back to me because I used to be studying very close to this campus. In case you don't know, this is situated near Bannerghatta Road where I was studying when I was in Bangalore. Along with that, Ratnam Institute of Technology is very famous, specifically in the south of India. And if you're from Coimbatore, then you would know about the Ratnam Group. Now guys, this campus is a 6-acre compound. In this, you have the Ratnam Institute of Technology. You will have the Mirai School of Technology. At the same time, you have a school which is owned by Ratnam Group itself. Rest of the talking I'll do inside. Come with me. Oh my God, wow. I mean, look at the weather. I know you guys will always complain to me that covers you really over fantasize Bangalore. But guys, what should I do? Like, it's so much windy and breezy. Like, the best part of being in Bangalore is the Bangalore weather, specifically at this time. I just am praying to the rain gods that they shouldn't rain, because then my shoot will get delayed and I have a lot of other things that I have planned for today, so I don't want to miss out on that. So let's keep the fingers crossed that it doesn't rain. Guys, it's so windy that the gate is also not getting opened up properly. Anyways guys, welcome to the reception area here at Mirai School of Technology. In case you plan to visit the campus, then this is going to be your first spot. On my left hand side, I can see the offices of the directors, deans. At the same time, even the counseling is happening for the students who are planning to take admission here at Mirai School of Technology. Let's navigate other things on the campus. Guys, I've come on the first floor, which is going to be the complete floor for Mirai School of Technology. This area is going to be an access control area, which means only the students of Mirai School of Technology will have access to this area. By the way, guys, the infrastructure that you see right now is not the final infrastructure. This whole floor is going to be completely revamped in Mirai colors with all the modern and the latest infrastructure that you students need to build from day one. By the way, this area that you see right now, there's going to be a proper reception that is going to come in, and then you're going to have multiple labs and collab rooms and all of those things. Let me first give you a tour of the classrooms. Come. I'm so excited for the final version to come out. Don't worry guys, it's all going to happen before you students join in, and I will give you the progress report as soon as things are ready. So come with me. Ta-da! Guys, this is how the classroom will be. Again, this is not the final version. This is going to completely change and revamp into theater style of classrooms and different collab rooms and things like that. And you know, it's all going to be changed in terms of colors and all also. So again, super excited for the final version to come out. Now guys, again, I need to give you information completely about Mirai School of Technology. So here's all the information that you need. Wait, let me get out the brochure. They made a beautiful brochure, so let me read out the important things from there. Now guys, one of the major highlights from Mirai School of Technology is going to be the curriculum, because again the founding team have founders from coding block and they're going to be putting in all the expertise that is there. So the faculty member and the people who will be teaching you will be from the industry and mark companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, which is going to be great. At the same time, guys, the course that you will be studying will be a BE in computer science, in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So again, very futuristic in their approach. Now talking about the curriculum, guys, in the first year, you will be building AI foundations. So you will be learning things like Python, JavaScript, C++ programming and Node.js. In the second year, you'll be creating practical models. So you'll be learning things like NoSQL, React.js, NumPy and Linux. In the third year, you'll be mastering advanced AI. So you'll be learning skills like LLM model creation, neural networks, prompt engineering and data visualization. In the fourth and the final year, guys, you students will be driving change. So you'll be learning things like NLP, Azure, AI deployment and OpenCV. Unfortunately, light has gone, but that is not going to stop us from giving all the right information to you people. Luckily, the light is back and hence we can continue. Now guys, the fees of the program is 10 lakh rupees. That's it. And to be honest, I feel this is very decently priced. In this 10 lakh rupees, all you students will also get a MacBook. And some students were asking me, Kavach bhaiya, can we take the MacBook with us after 4 years are completed? Yes guys, that MacBook is completely yours and you can take back home and work and build amazing things on the MacBook. Another very important thing, secret ki baat bata raha hu, come closer to me. Guys, it's the first year of existence and they are giving very good scholarships. And when I say very good scholarships, 100% scholarships. बाद में मत बोलना मैंने नहीं बताया. So if you students can actually get 100% scholarship, you will be in a profit because you'll be getting the MacBook, which is going to be worth 1 lakh rupees free of cost. So try getting as good scholarships as you can. Again, it's not going to be very easy, but if you can do well in the admission process, there's a highly likely chance that you students can get scholarship. If not 100, at least 60, 70, 80. Please try for that and I'll be really happy if people who are watching this video can actually get a really good scholarship. Now guys, one of the things that I missed out to tell you before was the admission process of how you all can get into Mirai School of Technology. So guys, the admission process is very simple. You need to go on their website and fill in an online application form. After that, you need to appear for mains, which is their own entrance exam. After that, you people will be shortlisted for a personal interview where you need to appear for the interview with the faculty members and the founding team of Mirai School of Technology. After that, you students will be invited for a counseling session with your parents where they will clear each and every doubt that you have. At the same time, they will determine the kind of scholarship you are eligible for and how much scholarship you can get. And after that, offer letters will be made to you telling you congratulations, you've been selected, or sorry, unfortunately, you've been rejected. So that's the simple admission process. For more details, I put the link in the description below. So make sure you check it out. Okay guys, I've come to the computer lab here at Mirai School of Technology. This again can be used for multiple purposes because you can bring in your MacBooks and work out of here. Along with that, they will also be providing you with a proper full-fledged Mac lab. So I'm super excited for that. Okay guys, it's almost 12:45, which means it is lunchtime here at Mirai School of Technology because they will have lunchtime somewhere from 12:45 to 1:30. And as you can see, we have entered the mess area here. To be honest, this is not a very big mess area. Nothing too fancy, but you will be getting healthy meals here. Pure vegetarian, breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner. Ta-da! Guys, I've come on the 6th floor because this is where they have the hostel for girls. First thing that you need to understand is that this is not a fully residential program. That means you people have the option to choose whether you want to stay with Mirai School of Technology or on your own anywhere outside in Bangalore. However, they will be providing a hostel facility both for boys and for girls. Girls hostel is exactly on the campus on the 6th floor, which I'm going to give you a tour of. At the same time, boys hostel is very near to the campus and the shuttle services to and fro will be provided. Bangalore weather, oh my god, it's amazing. Let me give you a tour of one of the demo rooms for girls. Come with me. Okay guys, this is the hostel room for girls and as I can see, this is a 4 sharing room. Again guys, they will be providing you with different variety of rooms. So there will be double sharing, 4 sharing, triple sharing, some with washroom attached, some with a common washroom. Again, all of these details will be put on their website. So make sure you go check it out. Along with that guys, the fees that I told you does not include your hostel and mess fees and that is separate. Again, the details of it will be on the website. Guys, it's almost evening time here on the campus and they have full-fledged sports facilities to be used by you students. So come on the campus soon to use these sports facilities. Let me give you a tour of them. Come with me. Ta-da, guys, they have a full-fledged football turf which you people can use. And that's not it. Along with that, on my right-hand side, they have a proper skating track. They have a basketball court. Behind that, they have cricket nets. And even behind that, they have a proper swimming pool. Now, all of these facilities are for you students to use, but after your class hours, not during the class hours. And again, this is shared between Ratnam Institute of Technology and Mirai School of Technology. Guys, I'm going to make you meet the founder of Mirai. And Mr. Arpit here is defying all the odds by balancing his work life with sports and playing basketball. Hello, how are you? Good, good, good. I just need 5-10 minutes of yours.
Yes.
Let me mic you up and let me ask you some of the questions that have been put to me by your future students.
Sure.
Wait, let me mic you up.
Let me know once we can start. Huh?
This is start. Camera mera rukta nahi hai.
We are on.
Yes,
Hey,
yes,
guys.
yes. Okay, guys, we have Arpit. I've already introduced to you. I've already introduced him before, so you know about his background and his pedigree and all of that. I'm not going to be repeating those things. Arpit, direct questions. Firstly, see, there are so many BTech colleges. There are now so many new age colleges. What
Right.
was the need of Mirai School of Technology?
I get this question a lot, you know. और एक चीज बहुत startling है. इंडिया में 10,000 plus colleges. It's a massive number. जो
Right.
कि सिर्फ engineering degree दे. And more than 50 lakh rather students graduate every year, right? But can you imagine only 2% of them, 2% of the 15 lakh graduates get a CPC worth 7 digits and are working in tech. That's a massive problem statement. 98% of the talent enrolling into engineering programs in so-called 10,000 plus colleges, which are new age, traditional, all of them combined, are not able to secure a good placement. That is a problem statement that Mirai started. So Mirai, in my view, is the solution to that problem.
Okay, that's pretty good. Now, if I want to know, and I mean, again, students would want to know what is the whole, how is the whole curriculum designed, and more specifically, like, yeah, लोगों को समझ नहीं आता collaboration and this and that. So, what is the kind of degree that they are getting? What's the role of Ratnam Institute of Technology, Mirai School of Technology, all of those things that you would explain?
So Mirai School, in its inaugural batch, has partnered with Ratnam Institutions, where they will be getting, after the completion of 4 years, they will be getting a BE in Computer Science and AI/ML from Ratnam Institute, which is again affiliated with BTU. Right? It's a very well-known public university, and you'll be getting a degree from that university itself.
And is it AICTE approved?
Yes, it is AICTE UGC approved.
Okay, amazing. So that means the degree is sorted.
Absolutely.
Another question ये आपके future बच्चों ने पूछा है, मैंने पूछा है. I feel the fees is too less. Now I'll tell you why students will really bash me for that. But see, I toured so many new age colleges, right? And their fees is high, and they are promising the same thing that you're promising, and that too at 10 lakh rupees. So I just want to know, is it all true? And is there some dilution you might have in terms of faculty and things like that? Okay, matlab, you know, how are you providing at such a low cost? Yeah?
That's a fair question. So I think we again get that question a lot. So it's not just that fees is low, we are still giving out scholarships as well on top of it.
Right. And MacBook.
And MacBook. That is incorporated, that's for students to keep. Again, it's very core philosophy for all of us. And again, look at the background that Varun, Karthik, me, all of us come from. It's really core to all of us. The kind of education that they are devising at Mirai is largely designed for that middle segment of India, right? उनके लिए जिनके लिए financial restriction should not be a constraint. We are providing a quality education for them, right? We can easily charge 18 lakh or 20 lakh also for the same product. But when we can afford to give this quality of education, same MAN professors, same Apple MacBook infrastructure, same lab, same robotics lab, when we can give that in this much price, we don't have that aspirations कि नहीं 18 lakh ही charge करें. जब 10 lakh नहीं हो सकता तो why not? So we are not in it to make money. I think what we are in it, as I said before, to solve for that problem statement कि यार 98% बच्चों को how can we give quality education? And that's where majority of the students are sitting. So that's where we
Wow.
want to
I'm definitely, people who are watching the video are going to comment, what a revolutionary founder. One last question. Now I see my people like to watch my videos because I try to keep it as honest and authentic as it can.
Yeah.
So I don't want you to over-promise anything and under-deliver. But parents के mind में ये ज़रूर रहता है, students के mind में भी रहता है. What is it that they can expect? Now I don't want you to put it in numbers, but like, what is it that they can get in terms of internships or placements, or where they can see their life 4 years from now?
Let me answer this. I think let me answer this in a manner that it's chronological. Right?
Okay.
So the education in Mirai is designed in a manner that it gives you yearly outcomes. So you know you're on the right track, right? which means that by the end of first year, you will be at least be in a position where you are competing in global competitions. GSOX, HackerRank, ICPC, you name it. There are many competitions out there. By the end of second year, we gear you up for your internships. And it's not a 2-month internship. We get them for 6 months paid internship. That whatever company they are going into, they can at least get a chance to get a PPO. Right? You need to invest that much amount of time. By the end of third year, they will be pushing you to start your own venture. But these are yearly outcomes, right? Our education has been devised in a manner that supports these outcomes. So imagine if you are in 12th. आप 12th में जैसे school जाते हो and you prepare for your CBSE or ICSE board exams. What's the end goal, right? To clear your 12th board and get a degree or a certificate. And in parallel, you are going to these tuition centers or coaching institutions where you are preparing for IIT. Correct. These are two separate learning tracks. Exactly in a similar way. There is a university track at Mirai which is geared up towards getting your degree, and then there is a Mirai track which is geared up towards these yearly outcomes. Not just internships and placements. Placements is the far end of it, but everything in between. Your projects, your competitions, your own portfolio, everything. That's how we'll deliver. And I think if you need some real world proof, Varun and Karthik who are joining us in Mirai School of Technology, just go and visit their website also. You will see over last decade, they have delivered numerous outcomes. Amazon, Facebook, you just name the company and you will find students of coding blocks there. It's the same team which is coming in and delivering that same quality education to all of you.
Wow. Okay, that's good. I won't bother and take much of your time, but thank you so much for having me on the campus.
Thank you so much.
You've been very kind. I just shot him one email and he was like, please visit. You're most welcome to do that. So thank you so much. And I'll catch you super soon.
Super. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take
Have
care.
a good day.
Alright guys, I'm almost towards the end of my campus tour here for Mirai School of Technology's Bangalore campus. I hope you got each and every information that you needed. Guys, in case if I missed out on anything, just comment below and I'll be more than happy to reply or make another video about it. At the same time guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Do also comment below and let me know which is the other college or campus that you would want me to tour, and I'll be more than happy to do it. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys, bye-bye.